Hello students, welcome to your English class. This is me Farhat Hussain and I am your English teacher. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is alphabetical order. Okay, the name of the chapter is alphabetical order. So the first question which arises in our mind is that what is alphabetical order? Then let me tell you, the order in which A, B, C, D are arranged is called alphabetical order. The order in which A, B, C, D are arranged is called alphabetical order. Okay, as you can see here, it is written also. See, this is the definition. Fine. Now the second question is that what is the use of alphabetical order? Then let me tell you, with the help of alphabetical order we can use the dictionary quickly and efficiently. Okay, because with the help of alphabetical order we can easily find words, we can easily search words from the dictionary. So it makes our work easier, you can say. It helps us to find words quickly. Okay, so if someone asks from you that what is the use of alphabetical order, then you will tell that it helps us to use a dictionary quickly and efficiently. Okay, see, it is written here also, as you can see. With the help of alphabetical order, we can use a dictionary quickly and efficiently. Fine. Now children, the question which can be asked from the given chapter is that arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay. आपको क्वेश्चन क्या पूछे जा सकते हैं कि आपको अरेंज करने इन वर्ड्स को, जो भी वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे, कुछ वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे उनको अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में. देन व्हाट यू विल डू हियर दैट एट फर्स्ट यू विल ऑब्जर्व द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ दोज वर्ड्स. ओके, तो आप क्या करोगे, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट लेटर सारे वर्ड्स को ऑब्जर्व करोगे. ओके, देन यू विल डू. सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन हियर. इन द फर्स्ट वन इट इज़ रिटन बॉय, फैन, apple, dog, cat. Then children, tell me, in these words, observe the first letter of these words. Then see, first letter of the word boy is B, fan F, and in apple it is A, in dog it is D, in cat it is C. Then tell me which comes first, B, F, A, D, C. इनमें से कौन पहले आता? Then your answer will be A, obviously, है ना. अल्फ़ाबेट्स में सबसे पहले कौन आते हैं? That is A. Then you will. So children, in the given words, apple will come first because its first letter is A, which comes first in the alphabetical order. So at first you will write apple, and then after you will write boy, then cat, then dog, then fan, like this. Okay, got it? Now move to the next example. See, bee, bat, bus, boy, brick. Now the question is that you will ask, ma'am, सारे लेटर तो उसके फर्स्ट लेटर जो सबके सिमिलर है ना. द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ ईच वर्ड इज सिमिलर. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू हियर, देन चिल्ड्रन you will check out the second letter of those words. Okay, you have to observe the second letter. See, in the word B the second letter is E. Okay, in the word bat it is A, the second letter is A. In the word bus the second letter is U. Okay, and in the word boy the second letter is O, and in the word brick the second letter is R. Okay, अब आप बताओ which comes first, either E, which comes first, E, A, U, O, R. इनमें से कौन पहले आता? Then you will tell A, obviously, है ना. Then you will write here the word bat first, because in the word bat A is the second letter, है ना. Then bat will come first, and then B, then boy, then brick, then bus, like this. Got it? One more example is there. देखो आप कहोगे मैम ये तो और भी प्रॉब्लम बढ़ गई है. In the third one, bat, bad, bag, ball. Now children, see, in these words first as well as second letter all are same, है ना. In each word the first letter is also same, and in the next letter, that is the second letter, that is also same in all the words. जैसे देखो आप B सब में कॉमन है, and then second letter A सब में कॉमन है. अब आप कहोगे मैम अब क्या किया जाए? Then you will observe the third letter. Okay, you will check the third letter. Then in the word bat the third letter is T, है ना, and in the word bad it is D, in the word bag it is G, and in the word ball it is L. Now you will arrange them, okay, by observing the third letter of the word. Then bad, it will come first, BAD, bad, because D comes first. Then you will write here bad, then bag, then ball, and then bat. Okay, so in this way you will arrange these words, okay, in alphabetical order. So children, you would have understood this topic very well. And one more thing is that children, this was the first part, that is part 1, okay, of this chapter. In the part 2, it means in the next video I will explain the exercises of the grammar book. Okay, I will discuss the exercise of your grammar book. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.